What's wrong?
You pranked. You pranked.
I didn't prank you.
Yes, you did.
That's funny.
You pranked me.
It wasn't me.
Yes, it was.
No, really.
You pranked me.
It really wasn't.
Turn the light on now.
You know who it was?
I
Turn the light on.
Go turn it on.
can't. I can't even reach the light. Oh, God. Man, you.
It wasn't me. It was Grandpa.
Just go turn the darn light on.
Turn the light on.
Why did Grandpa put that in my bed?
That's what he did too.
Is it alive?
Yes. No. Careful with it.
What are you doing?
Taking it out.
Well, you gotta let someone else carry that. It's pretty big, huh?
I can't.
We're gonna hang on the fireplace.
You pranked me.
What do you think of it?